Introduction and scope of discussions. This website is about consciousness and has been inspired by asking the fundamental question, how do we see? This seems like a very natural and simple question for any inquisitive mind to ask. But this very question forces some deeper thinking about the conscious perception of light, which results in surprising and fantastic new realizations about the conscious mind and light, as will be explained. For people just beginning to think about consciousness, the realizations about the human perception of light can be particularly surprising. One thing for sure, you will never look at light the same way again. A philosophy will be integrated into a technology to enable machine consciousness research and development products. Philosophy and technology might seem like an incompatible mix, but the InterMind website will show how the InterMind philosophy drives the technology for conscious machines. Furthermore, the website will recast the philosophy of consciousness into a new scientific phenomenon of conscious experience. If you are interested in the possibility of conscious machines, read on. The approach will be to analyze conscious experience as an engineering problem. The signal processing and systems engineering aspects of the human conscious visual experience and other types of experiences will be studied in order to understand what these experiences are and how they work. It is anticipated that this understanding might be used to design a conscious machine someday. The following sections will take you on a journey of discovery that will bring you into the world of your own internal conscious experiences, while maintaining adherence to basic engineering and scientific principles. Note that all discussions will be at a level that the non-technical reader should understand. Connectism and the connection perspective will be developed. People that already have a good background in the study of consciousness should find connectism refreshing. The concept of connectism will be used throughout this website, and it will be shown that adopting such a connection perspective can enable new plausible explanations that can be applied to some seemingly difficult problems in consciousness. A main goal of the website is to develop the InterMind model of consciousness. To properly understand the InterMind model, the sections should be studied in the order they are presented on the website. Take your time. Go slow. A collection of thoughts, realizations, and points of view are assembled together as you progress through the sections that will move you closer and closer to an understanding of the InterMind model. Each section will reinforce comprehension for particular concepts by presenting the concepts in novel, nuanced ways. If you feel like there is repetition, then you should step back, slow down, and try to understand the nuance. Note that you can skip the motivations section on first read and go directly to the preliminaries section without loss of content. However, the motivations section is included to awaken your interest in the existence of a new perspective for understanding conscious experience. At first, you may not completely understand these motivations, but as you read more of this website, the motivations should become more understandable and even fantastic. After you have become more familiar with the point of view on this website, you are invited to go back to the motivations section, especially if you skipped it.